Every single day, your brain creates waste. But unlike the rest of your body, it can't simply wash itself with blood. So how does it stay clean? Imagine a city where garbage trucks stopped working. Trash would pile up everywhere. Your brain faces the same problem every single day. Your brain contains around 86 billion neurons. As they work nonstop, they also produce tiny waste molecules. Most organs remove waste through the bloodstream, but your brain is protected by the blood-brain barrier, making cleanup much more complicated. For decades, scientists couldn't explain one simple question. If blood can't clean the brain, what does? Then in 2012, researchers made a discovery that completely changed how we understand sleep. Hidden inside your brain is a cleaning network called the glymphatic system. Instead of blood, this system uses clear fluid to wash away waste from between brain cells. Without this cleaning system, waste would slowly build up inside your brain day after day. But here's the surprising part. This system doesn't work at full speed while you're awake. It becomes most active only after you fall into deep sleep. The cleaning process begins with a clear liquid called cerebrospinal fluid, or CSF. This fluid surrounds and protects your brain every second of your life. Most of this fluid is produced inside small spaces called ventricles, located deep within your brain. After being produced, the fluid slowly flows around the brain, carrying nutrients and helping protect delicate brain tissue. But something incredible happens with every heartbeat. The arteries gently pulse, pushing this fluid deeper into the brain. The fluid doesn't stay on the surface. It travels through tiny spaces between brain cells, reaching areas blood cannot. As the fluid moves, it collects waste proteins, damaged molecules, and other unwanted materials left behind by active neurons. The waste-filled fluid then leaves the brain through drainage pathways, eventually reaching the body's lymphatic system. Scientists notice something surprising. This cleaning flow is much slower while you're awake than when you're asleep. The moment deep sleep begins, the entire cleaning system becomes far more active, almost like switching from a garden hose to a pressure washer. But why does this happen only during deep sleep? The answer lies in a remarkable change that happens to your brain cells themselves. When you enter deep sleep, your brain doesn't simply become quieter. It actually changes the way it's built. For a few hours, researchers discover that brain cells shrink by around 20% during deep sleep, opening tiny spaces between them. Those extra spaces become new pathways, allowing cleaning fluid to travel much more freely through the brain. It's like opening extra lanes on a busy highway. The fluid can now reach areas that were difficult to clean while you were awake. One important target is a protein called Amyloid-Beta, which is produced naturally as brain cells stay active. If this protein isn't cleared efficiently, it can remain in the brain much longer than normal. Think of it like plumbing. Pipes that are cleaned regularly keep water flowing, while clogged pipes slow everything down. That's one reason people often feel mentally refreshed after a good night's sleep and mentally foggy after poor sleep. While the brain is cleaning itself, it is also strengthening important memories and removing unnecessary information. But what happens if this nightly cleaning is interrupted again and again for weeks or even years? The answer has become one of the biggest questions in modern neuroscience. Missing one night of sleep isn't the biggest problem. Scientists are more concerned about months or even years of poor sleep. As we grow older, the brain's cleaning system naturally becomes less efficient, even in healthy people. Researchers found that older brains often remove waste more slowly than younger brains. This discovery caught the attention of Alzheimer's researchers around the world. One reason is that Alzheimer's disease is associated with abnormal buildups of proteins, such as amyloid-beta and tau. Scientists are studying whether improving sleep could help the brain clear these proteins more effectively. The research is ongoing, but it's important to separate fact from fiction. One bad night's sleep does not cause Alzheimer's. Brain health depends on many factors, including genetics, age, lifestyle, and sleep. No single factor tells the whole story. That's why researchers continue studying the glymphatic system. It can help explain how the brain stays healthy over a lifetime. So if deep sleep activates your brain's cleaning system, can you actually improve that cleaning? The answer may surprise you. So, Can you actually help your brain clean itself more effectively? Scientists have been searching for that answer. The first key isn't simply sleeping longer. It's getting enough deep sleep, because that's when the glymphatic system works most efficiently. Regular physical activity is linked to better sleep quality, which may support the brain's natural cleaning process. Alcohol may make you feel sleepy, but it can reduce deep sleep, limiting the time when the brain's cleaning system is most active. Sleep disorders such as sleep apnea can repeatedly interrupt deep sleep, which may reduce the brain's overnight cleaning efficiency. What about naps? Short naps can improve alertness, but they don't replace a full night's natural sleep cycle. Scientists are even studying how the glymphatic system works in space, where microgravity changes the movement of fluids inside the body. The glymphatic system is still a young field of research. Every year, scientists discover new details about how it protects the brain. Every night, while you're completely unaware, billions of brain cells quietly depend on this hidden cleaning system to keep working properly. The next time you think about staying up late, remember this. Sleep isn't just rest. It's your brain's nightly maintenance crew, working silently to prepare you for tomorrow.